Hello everybody, my name is Steffen Fritz. I'm from the International Institute for Applied Systems Analysis and I'm the center head of the Center for Earth Observation and Citizen Science. I'm going to present to you the Crowd-to-Train project, a new innovative way to rapidly label crop types using street-level photography. Other project partners are the companies Synergize and Brockman Consult, and the project is supported by IIASA as part of the larger Eurodata Cube project. The project is also part of the Earth Day network and its activities, which are dedicated this year as their 50th anniversary to citizen science. The idea of the project is really simple: to segment using Sentinel-2 images fields over the season. This work is actually done by Synergize, and then eventually to provide sufficient and a big amount of available training data, which is currently lacking, to come up with improved and better crop type maps. These crop type maps are really very much needed at many places of the world. Here is how this street-level photography is acquired. It's acquired, for example, by Mapillary or also by Street View with their cameras, but also by potentially ordinary citizens who just take photographs of fields. This here is an example of a maize field. These images then get passed on to the PicturePile app. And on the lower left, you see an example of those segments, and we always use the middle of the segment along the road pointing towards the centroid of each segment. This is the PicturePile application to which these images get passed on, and the user is just required to classify what they see on the image, what crop types: wheat, maize, sunflower, vineyard, sorghum, or other crops in this case. But the wheel is dynamic and can be adjusted according to what primarily crops are grown in which areas of the globe. If people don't know or it's out of season, you can just swipe it down when people can't tell. This is how it looks like in the app. There is this dedicated pile for the Earth Day network. It's available also on GeoWiki as an online tool which you can try out. And we have already 16,000 swipes. We run it in the last weeks, starting from the end of July. And as you can see, people are still active. And we have collected 3,000 segments where we have quite high confidence. A minimum of 3 people have already classified these segments, which will then be used and become freely available to everybody as training data for crop type machine learning remotely sense-based algorithms. The project is run as a demo of an end-to-end use case. A Jupyter Notebook environment is provided and the user can run his or her own campaign in the area of interest, where it's first initially checked for street-level photography being available in that area of interest, also being available in the season, because that's important, otherwise you don't see the crops, for which then an automatic segmentation algorithm is triggered along the roads in that area, where then it's passed on to the PicturePile application, crowdsourced, and then passed back, labeled, and then become available as a training crop type dataset. Thank you very much. This was really short. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email me or just try it out yourself. Have fun, experiment with it. Just Google PicturePile and you will get to it. Thank you very much.